Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And this is...
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from...
Indonesia.
That's right, it's from Indonesia. These are products from ABC for an upcoming Meet the Manufacturer. I've done one with them before, but now they've got a new U.S. distributor, so we're going to check them out. So, shall we open it up and see what's inside?
Yeah.
All right. Wow. All right, so here's some paper for you. And some paper for you. And some paper for me. And what do we have in here? Okay, so we've got something heavy. Let's see what this heavy thing is. Yeah, let's open it. Actually, let's open this first. What's this? I don't know. Oh, it's a shirt.
Is this to mine?
No, this is for Papa.
This to you, Papa.
Yeah, this is an ABC shirt. Now, the question is, will it fit? It's got buttons. Yeah, how many buttons does it have? How many buttons? Count them. 1, 2, 3 buttons? All right. Well, let's see if it fits. And no, it does not fit. This is definitely Asian sized. It's an extra large, but extra larges over here and extra larges over there are much different, unfortunately. So it's a really nice shirt, thank you. But what do we have in this bag? Let's find out. All right, so they sent me some sweet soy sauce. And for one of the reviews I do, I'm gonna make some special chicken using this stuff. So it should be pretty good. Here's a pamphlet with information of different recipes you can make with their sweet soy sauces. Yeah, the sweet soy sauces are what you use to do a lot of Indonesian cooking, so that's pretty cool. All right, that's cool. This has been Hans. This has been...
Miles.
And this has been...
Mimi.
And wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one.
I just want to feel alive, boy.